Shillong witnessed a spectacular celebration of speed and skill as JK Tyre, in association with the Meghalaya Motorsport Society and Assam Rifles Latcor, hosted the much anticipated Indian Racing Festival, a carnival of total control at the DGAR cantonment. The high-octane event was inaugurated by Lieutenant General Vikas Lakhera, Director General of Assam Rifles, who attended as the chief guest. Rosette Mary Gorba, Deputy Commissioner of East Khasi Hills, graced the occasion as the guest of honor. Set against the scenic backdrop of Latcor's rolling hills, the festival attracted a packed crowd treated to an array of adrenaline-fueled displays. The lineup featured exhilarating drifting performances by high-powered Lexus and BMW vehicles, daring stunts on superbikes, and impressive demonstrations of speed and precision by young karting talents maneuvering their Rotax carts. Adding a cultural touch to the motorsport extravaganza, students from Martin Luther Christian University performed traditional dances, energizing the atmosphere and transforming the venue into a vibrant hub for youth and motorsport enthusiasts. The event marked JK Tyre's ongoing efforts to strengthen its presence in the Northeast region, a key market for the brand. Following the Shillong showcase, the Indian Racing Festival will move to Guwahati on 20th April and conclude in Gangtok on 22nd April.
Our Jesus is on two. Thank you guys, thank you so much. That was a spectacular show that you put for us, the people of Shillong. Thank you very much.